So now we're moving on to skill 55, the difference between specific and general ideas. But before we continue, do you know the difference between the article and the article de?
No.
No. Okay. So here is the difference. Let's take a look at this. The first sentence. Tom will bring the book tomorrow. We're using the article de. Do you know which book Tom will bring tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. How many books do you think Tom will bring tomorrow?
One.
One. Okay. Good. Now let's take a look at the second sentence. He will arrive on the first Tuesday in July. Do you know which Tuesday he will arrive on?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the third sentence. He sailed on the Pacific Ocean. Do you know which ocean he sailed on?
Yes.
Okay. Those are the examples of the article de. Now let's move on to the article e. Let's take a look at the sentence. Tom will bring a book tomorrow. Do you know which book Tom will bring tomorrow?
No.
Okay. But how many books do you think Tom will bring?
One.
One. Okay. Now, the second sentence. He will arrive on a Tuesday in July. Do you know which Tuesday he will arrive on?
No.
No. Okay. The third sentence. He sailed on an ocean. Do you know which ocean he sailed on?
No.
No. Okay. So those are the examples of the article e. Here, we're using the article. We're using the article e or an to talk about something general. It means that the objects probably there are many, but we do not know which object we're talking about. Unlike the article de here, we use it to talk about something specific. The objects probably there are many in this world, but we know which one we're talking about. So far, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can we move to the practice?
Yes.
So here in this practice, you just have to state each sentence correct or incorrect. For example, number one, this is incorrect. Which one do you think is incorrect? A trip or a snake river?
A snake river.
Okay, it's supposed to be the snake river. Do you know which river we're talking about?
Yes.
Okay, and then the second sentence, it's correct because we know which library that we will meet. Now, how about number three? The ball hit a child on a head. Do you think it's correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Which one is incorrect? A child or a head?
A head.
Good. Why a head?
Because it belongs to child's head.
Okay. And then in number four, he had a best grade in the class on the exam. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect too. Good. Which one do you think is wrong? A best grade, the class, or the exam?
A grade.
Okay, yes, the grade. Why a grade is wrong?
Because that grade from the exam.
Okay, because that's the grade from the exam. Okay, good. Now let's continue to number five. The people who came here yesterday were here again.